In every corner of the world, we walk different streets, we chase different dreams, we speak different languages. But no matter where we are driven by the same purpose: a hunger to grow, a desire to break barriers, a calling to be more than just one. And when we finally look beyond, we realize we were never meant to rise alone. We lift our eyes beyond the limits we once believed in. We see a horizon filled with endless possibilities, a world waiting for us to step forward, waiting for us to rise together. As we rise, we reach out. As we step forward, we lift others with us. And when we stand together, nothing is beyond our reach. Every step we take is not just for ourselves, but for each other. When we stand side by side, when we push beyond our limits, when we believe in something greater than just me, that's when we unlock true success. Not walked alone, not measured in miles, but in moments. Moments of courage, of connection, of strength. Together we dream. Together we grow. Together we rise.